What's happening, everybody? If you are making videos to promote your business, I'm going to show you how to get double paid for making those videos. This has never been shown before, so stay tuned. We're going to show you something really, really cool you can do to profit off the videos that you already make. Welcome back, folks. Now, if you are promoting a product, service, or opportunity, and you're not using videos or you're not using capture pages in 2020, then you are really putting yourself at a huge disadvantage. And I definitely recommend that you start using these methods of promoting for your business. Now, for those of you who are already using video, hey, congratulations, welcome to 2020. You're actually ahead of the curve. And most people are probably wondering, okay, what is getting double paid for videos? As a matter of fact, what is getting one payment for videos? Well, let me just kind of go into how that works, and then we'll go into the method that I'm actually going to show that's really never been talked about. So generally, if you have a product or service, a lot of times, most entrepreneurs, they make a video promoting that product or service, and they put that video on a social media platform, such as Facebook, such as YouTube, such as Instagram. Now, the great thing about having that video is if that video is well created and that video does sell very well for you, that video is playing 24 hours a day, 7 days a week while you're sleeping, and that video actually sends traffic to your website, therefore generating sales. So rather than you having to get up there and promote yourself, you have a video that is doing all of the work for you and generating the customers. And so by that method, that video is actually getting you paid. So you're getting paid one way, and that is having that video do all of the selling for you. Now, if you really want to take this to a huge scale, a lot of individuals take that very same video and turn that video into an ad. And you've seen these across social media platforms. If you're on Facebook, you may have seen a sponsored video promoting a product or service. If you're on YouTube, you may have seen an ad play right before you get to the video that you want to watch, and that ad is actually promoting some product or service, or even on Instagram. So you've seen these things already, and generally what entrepreneurs do is they make a small investment to turn that video into an ad, and by making that investment, you tend to get more eyeballs and you tend to get more engagement on that post because it is now an ad. So you can get as many as 32,000 to 100,000 people watching that video. And again, if it costs you $100 to $200 to make a video ad, but you end up making $10,000 off of the sales it generates, then that is an amazing return on investment. Now, using that method is the method that every major marketer really uses, is just advertising. Now, I used to do that, and I discovered a way to do it without having to pay for advertising, because again, before you get those views, you have to come out of your pocket with money first. But there is a powerful platform, which I believe is the most powerful platform on the planet, and it's called YouTube. And I discovered a method that allows me to not only get paid for the customers my video generates, but also to get paid to make that video. Now I'm going to go to my computer so I can show you what I mean about getting paid twice for the video. And we're going to discuss this in detail a little bit. And this is going to be the introduction to how to get double paid for the video. So let's go over to my computer. Okay, everyone, I'm on my YouTube account, and a lot of people ask me all the time, what is the most efficient platform to post promotional videos? And I'm going to say 10 times out of 10, it is always YouTube. And I'm going to explain to you why. See, if you're using Facebook to post promotional videos and you're using your personal page, then generally what happens is the only people that can see that video are people who are your friends that have a Facebook account. But if a person does not have Facebook, which a lot of people don't have Facebook, then there's no way they're going to see your video. Plus, the engagement is a lot lower on Facebook because it only circulates mainly through people who are friends of yours. Now, in order to make this a little bit wider, a lot of people go and get a Facebook fan page. But even a Facebook fan page does not turn up a lot in a search results. And so you limit the amount of exposure you can get to a video. Now, Instagram, obviously you have to have a cell phone to see that. Most people, older people who may be in your target audience, may not have an Instagram account and may not be able to view that video. But let me tell you something about YouTube. Guess who owns Google and YouTube? Well, it is the same people. So when you make a YouTube video, a lot of times it will show up easier in the Google search engines, and people do not have to have a YouTube account to view your video. So your audience, when you make a YouTube video, if all goes well with your SEO and your keywords, your audience can find you a lot easier. They can be much broader. I have people who have no type of social media account, and they're able to find my videos, and they're able to watch them, and they're able to get to, my product or service that I may be promoting. Now, let me tell you a really cool thing about YouTube. YouTube actually has the best partner program. And what a partner program is it allows you to be able to monetize your videos. Now, there are certain rules that come with monetizing videos, but if you follow the rules and you can find this loophole that I'm actually going to talk about, then what happens is you can actually monetize the videos of your product or service. So you have to do it a certain way. You can't make them promotional. It's a different type of video that you have to make, which I'll cover in another video. But what happens is this: a lot of my videos are promoting something, but it's actually doing it in a really different way. But in addition to that, I actually get paid for ads to run across my video. Now, it may not do it then, but let me see if I can find one where an ad will pop up here. Hopefully it will. Let me see. It might not. You'll generally see an ad. So right here, there is an ad running across my video. So if someone is watching my video, I get paid for this ad, so they can skip an ad. So I don't care if companies run commercials across my video because I'm getting paid for it. But eventually, if a person wants to see my content, they'll skip it or whatever, and then they'll get right into the meat and bones of my content here. So how much can you generate just becoming a YouTube partner? Well, the amounts can vary. Some people generate 6 figures a year by just shooting videos. Some people generate a small amount, but I'm just going to kind of give you an idea. I really don't want to show, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to show this, but I'll just kind of show you what you can get. What you would need to do is you have to qualify for the YouTube partnership program and create an AdSense account. And as you see, my last payment on my AdSense account, if you look at it right here, was $600 and this actually just came through on yesterday. But as you see, my last payment was $689 from this YouTube channel. And I have another one, let me go to it, which I got paid $112. So if I go to my bank account, I'll show you that I'm actually getting paid to make videos that promote my product or service. And you can actually do this as well. Let me cover this up. I'm going to show you where those deposits hit. And you get paid once a month. Let me just skip this part. I got to remember all the security codes for showing my bank account. Okay, so here's my bank account. If you look, there is a Google AdSense payment for $689, and there's another payment for $112. So every single month, I get around $800 to create videos that promote for me. So let me switch back over here. So as you saw that here, and basically I do that through my YouTube channel. So a way to get double paid is, number one, get on YouTube and start creating videos, because you're going to get more exposure and you're going to get a wider range of audience that can come to your videos. Number two, apply for the partnership program. We'll talk about some of the requirements. And then once you meet the requirements, then you will start generating small revenue. It's going to take a while to grow your channel, but you'll start generating some small revenue that you can actually earn from YouTube. So now, not only are you getting paid for anyone that watches your video and goes to your website, you're going to also get paid by Google AdSense for allowing your videos to be monetized. So that is how you can get double paid for videos that promote your product or service. You just have to be meticulous in how you do it, and I'll discuss that in another video. So hopefully this gives you an idea, and the message of this video is you need to create a YouTube channel and you need to start putting your videos on YouTube, and you need to meet the requirements so you can become a YouTube partner. And then once you become a YouTube partner, then you can actually start to get double paid for your videos. So hopefully this gives you an idea if you are an entrepreneur and you're using video content to promote your product or service. And now this opens up a new way to earn revenue twice from one video. Hopefully this helps you. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're watching this on Facebook, go to my YouTube channel and subscribe as well, because most of my content is on there. Thank you, folks, and have a great day.